Need 1 cup of whipping cream, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of hazelnuts, 3/4 cup of milk and some Nutella goodness. So let us start making it. Into a pan ongoing on medium flame, I'm going to add in my hazelnuts. If you can't get hold of some hazelnuts, you can also use some almonds if you wish. Cashew nuts also work well. I'm going to just slow roast this for about 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. You can see the hazelnuts oozing some fat and getting light golden. Cooking it till here should be fine enough. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and let them cool down. If you have been watching our other recipes, you know it, we are going to whip the cream. So here I have my whipping cream. You can use a whisk or an electric mixer like this. Now we are going to whip this until semi-stiff peaks or so. I'm going to add in my powdered sugar and give it a whiz. So our whipped cream is ready. Now let's mix everything together. I'm going to start off with milk powder, followed by homemade condensed milk. Check out the recipe how to make homemade condensed milk too. Let me give it a mix first. Now this looks rich, creamy and delicious. I'm going to add in my 3/4 cup of milk. Now give it a mix as well. Now I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of Nutella. You can add more or less as you prefer. Now mix it until it gets a homogeneous mixture. This looks absolutely good. Now I'm going to keep this aside for a moment and chop our hazelnuts. I'm going to add in my hazelnuts to the mix. Now give it a light fold. So our ice cream mixture is ready. Now let's transfer it to a airtight container. So I'll be back after 8 to 10 hours. Here is my ice cream frozen and ready. So let's scoop it out. Can you see how creamy it is? Let's enhance the hazelnut goodness.